Well, from outer space, we're going to bring it all the way down to the ground. We're talking iRobot, taking a look at that stock soaring after the UK approved Amazon's $1.7 billion purchase of the company behind the Roomba vacuum cleaner. Now, the Competition and Markets Authority said it cleared the sale after concluding the deal would not put rivals in the robot vacuum cleaning space at a disadvantage. Now, this comes as a win for iRobot, especially after disappointing Q1 earnings and revenues, with sales having decreased by 50% year over year. So this is an interesting one. We've been seeing a lot of M&A at the moment, but the UK has been sort of pushing back on a lot of this. So interesting to see that they don't see that level of competition here with the robot vacuum space.
Yeah, they pushed back, as you mentioned, on a different deal. Well, it didn't have to do with vacuums. It was the Microsoft Activision Blizzard deal. So they kind of bucked back on that. I mean, this one, interesting because you think about the other vacuum players that are out there that also sell into Amazon and what they might try to do in terms of making sure that they are still maintaining their positioning within rankings when people do searches. Because now, if this is a product that Amazon owns, it now becomes a larger issue of, okay, where are we positioning, or where in that marketplace are other competitors' products positioned when people start to do searches on that?
Yeah, it's interesting because the UK authorities did seem convinced that Amazon was not going to advantage the iRobot Roomba products over competitors and that there was enough competition in the market. One of the other areas that the Competition Authority didn't really address, that some critics of Amazon wanted them to, was the data question, right? Another device in people's homes, gathering data on their habits, I guess on their vacuuming habits, among other things. And I know that there were some privacy experts who were concerned over that aspect, but I guess once you've let the horse out of the barn, so to speak, Amazon already has obviously devices in homes. What's one more thing? I don't know. So it's interesting that they were examining it more on the competition grounds and granted it on those grounds and did not as much examine the privacy angle, seemingly.
I'm not going to lie. I want a Roomba. I just can't use it with my rug, apparently, according to the Google results here. So I got to find something else.
So you just got to do the good old-fashioned upright. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess so. All right.